Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? I hope you are very well. I want to share our most beautiful and superb designs and amazing ideas, and this video is all about the modern designs ideas. This is so fun, fantastic and fabulous designs and different amazing ideas, amazing videos, and amazing this video is all about the amazing gardens wooden bridge ideas. Amazing garden wooden bridge ideas. This is so fantastic and fabulous design. I hope you understand, and I really know YouTube for bridges for every parking and parking areas and peaceful place, like different amazing and gorgeous bridges, and wooden bridges are also amazing, are also fantastic designs. Keep watching more fabulous designs, keep watching us videos, and keep more amazing ideas, amazing videos. You like more elegant ideas. I hope you are very well, and different amazing gorgeous videos. You look so stunning, you look so perfectly, and different wooden bridges, our grass, our gardens in the grass bridges, and different places are anyway for another things for where I share with you. You like so elegant ideas, keep watching more fantastic ideas, keep watching us videos, and stay connected with my channel. And amazing perfect designs. So I will keep more fabulous videos, so I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon, and hit the button of all notification for getting more stunning and fabulous design. This is so amazing. This is so gorgeous designs. Keep watching and stay connected with my channel, and different patterns, different ideas, amazing videos, and are really more fantastic designs, fantastic ideas. So let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome.